Hey guys, well, I'm Shu again, and for those that are tuning in and watching, I want to thank you guys for taking your time to watch my video. Okay, so today's video is going to be how to start affiliate marketing using free strategies. So my number one strategy, I believe a lot of beginners or anyone that's starting out should use is using Facebook. So uh, let's get first into a little bit of my background first. So when I first started high ticket affiliate marketing, we was in around late or mid 2017. um I use paid ads, and I can tell you paid ads did not work well because uh I always had the horrible shiny object syndrome, which basically means that you see something someone's making money online and you just want to join because you're just like, man, that person's making money online, what can I do the same? But anyways, short story was I joined a lot of people that were always in the top leaderboards. I talked to some of them, and a lot of their methods they try to teach you, it didn't work. That's the honest truth. It just didn't work. So I basically, I spent hundreds to thousands of dollars in paid ads, and the results were not good. So I could put like $200-300 or $200, $1,000 into paid ads, and my return on that could be like sometimes like very little to zero. And it's not a good feeling putting your money into something and not getting returned back. And it's like just like, wow, I just threw money down the toilet and just flushed it. And yeah, that's what it feels like. So then I looked into other methods, which back then I used to do blogging too. And blogging was really hard because you had to be very consistent with writing your content. And it's like it's not just like a little little paragraph. You have to write like a good maybe like 1,500 2,000 word page just to like get up there. But then like I don't know, the algorithm's always changing for the number through your blogging, whatever. But this is not the point of the video. But I'm just trying to teach you guys how I right now am starting to break through right now, and it's using Facebook. And uh I joined a lot of groups that were free. I have a lot of paid groups where I paid money to join. And one of the best ones that I've came across, which I know a lot of people are struggling and don't know where to start, I would highly recommend my mentors group. And then it's going to be called the Affiliate Family. And it's a free group. They do training, tips, interviews, and free support in the group. Okay, so you're free to join. Just answer 3 questions or whatever questions they have in there, and you're in. Simple as that. And I'll also be putting my link how you guys could join inside my YouTube description. And or you can also contact me on Facebook and ask me any questions regardless of this. But this group has helped me a lot because I'm not really one to really share a lot of my results, but let me just show you guys an example real quick. Oops. Let's go to that Gmail tab right here. Okay, so where was it at? Okay, here. Okay. Hey, Shu, congratulations! You just received a new reward of $400. Keep the good work. So, yeah, I'm telling you, the stuff that they do in this group works, especially because if you haven't seen my previous video for this one, my goal, and always gonna be my goal, is to teach you guys how to make money online without putting your figures out there. And this is very doable if you want to be coachable, willing to be consistent, and willing to do the work. Okay, simple as that. And yeah, the stuff that my mentors they teach in this group works because there's a lot of people in this group that's struggling. Just a lot of people out there are struggling still. I'm not gonna say I'm the best out there, but I'm gonna say I would highly recommend this because I put a lot of money into a lot of courses and a lot of I've been all over the space. I can say that. I've been social media marketing. I tried Forex. I tried Amazon FBA. I tried Shopify. I tried all this other stuff. And high ticket form marketing is like so nice because all you have to do is build relationships and put in yourself as an authority, and you can start making money. And the best part is that you make it while you're sleeping or you're away. And that's the best part about it, right? Because I made this while I was sleeping. That's the honest truth, okay? And then so the best way I would recommend is you guys to go to start making your Facebook into a business. I'm not gonna say create a new Facebook and make it a business profile. I honestly just segregate my friends from family and friends to business, which you can do using your it's been a while since I've done this. Let's see. Well, I'll show you guys another time. Let's see how you guys really want to know, then just go ahead and ask me. But this video is actually just like how I would recommend you how to start high ticket marketing is using your Facebook. Okay, just putting yourself as a brand, putting yourself out there. You don't even have to be professional at this. And the thing is that you just have to know how to talk to people and know what to say in order to learn how to close sales. Simple as that, because learning how to close a high ticket sale is just the same as work as closing someone on a low ticket product, right? Because low ticket products for affiliate marketing is just like you get like a $20-$30 commission, but high ticket you get like $400 plus. And that's a good thing of high tickets because it's not a quantity game now, it's a quality game. And and that saves you a lot of time from trying to talk to multiple people and trying to do like 10 times the amount of the work where you could just close one person. So let's say, let's do them up, sorry. So let's say you want to make $10,000, right? And you were making $30 commissions for that. You would need 333 sales for that, right? That's a lot, right? But you were to make like 400 through $1,000 plus commissions divided by 10,000. Well, no, I did it wrong. You will only need 10 people to close, and it's very doable in a month because I made 3 high ticket sales about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think that's 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And and that's the power of high ticket marketing. And I know anyone can do this if they're willing to be coachable and willing to learn. And if you suck, you don't know where to start, honestly, just join a group. You're gonna get a lot of nuggets because when I joined the group, things just changed for me. And if it changed for me, it changed for anybody if you're willing to do the work. And I just wanted to show you guys a way how to start high ticket marketing because I know it feels like to buy from people and they actually don't really help you because you just try to talk to people that make results, and that just kind of just leaving you in the dark. And I know that feeling, and I don't want you guys to feel like that. If you guys want to join our free group, you're welcome to, right? But if you're not to, that's cool too. But then if you have any questions that you want to ask me personally, you can always leave in the comments, or you can also reach out to me on my Facebook. And this is going to pretty much be the quick video of how to start high ticket marketing, and go to you guys success. All right.